now, your first alert forecast from NBC 15.
Well, we did see some beneficial rainfall last night and earlier this week. Unfortunately, latest drought monitor coming out today, and it is not a good situation. We're still looking at a moderate drought for really much of southern Wisconsin. This has actually worsened just a little bit. You'll notice central northern Wisconsin, really not a problem. It's all locally, and we do need to pick up some substantial rainfall in the next couple of weeks, or we're going to be into a pretty severe drought as we head later into the spring and summer. We do have some more rain in the forecast tomorrow. It's not going to be a lot, though. Look at the potential forecasted rain totals here. A few hundredths up to about 1/10 of an inch if you're lucky. We'll take what we can get at this point, but this is not going to be a drought bust of rain as we move through the day. Friday, kind of like today, pop-up showers through the afternoon. If you get under one of these, you may see enough to get the ground wet, but that's all we're talking about. And then it's out of here as we head Friday night into Saturday. That's when the cold air moves in. First alert weather day issued Friday night into Saturday. I'll tell you what, I'm getting more and more concerned that temperatures are going to dip cold enough that we are going to see some damage to the crops and the sensitive vegetation out there. The growing season's in full swing now. You get temperatures into the middle and upper 20s, and you're not going to be looking at a good situation. So make some time tomorrow if you can. Bring in those potted plants, maybe cover up the ones you can't, and try and salvage what you can, because again, temperatures are going to be on the chillier side. Don't forget, keep the First Alert weather app handy this weekend. You can track those temperatures, and if you have it, you got this First Alert this evening talking about those frost and freezing conditions. We're at 44 degrees right now in Madison. Winds are calm, dew points at 37. It's going to be chilly tonight, but I don't think chilly enough for frost. We'll be down to the upper 30s and low 40s. It's already 39 in Camp Douglas, 44 Watertown, but a balmy 50 at this hour in Janesville. Cool air, we're not alone. A lot of places into the 30s and 40s this evening, and that cooler air is going to win out as we head through the next week or two. Here's today's disturbance. It's now all the way into Ohio. Weak cold front dropping out of Minneapolis, the Duluth area. That's going to bring us another chance of some showers by first thing tomorrow morning. But as I mentioned off the top, it's going to be very isolated in nature. Let's put it in motion here for you. And by 2-3 a.m., some of those starting to sneak into the north and west. These will be around for the morning commute, so there could be a few wet roadways and then an isolated shower possible Friday afternoon, evening. Looks like the higher concentration of that, though, is going to be Madison eastward as we get a little lake breeze causing that interaction and some of those showers. It's all out of here tomorrow night, and we're back to some clear skies, cold temperatures as we kick off your Mother's Day weekend. Speaking of Mother's Day, we're going to watch this disturbance out to the west. Where it goes is going to dictate what happens. A southerly track keeps Mother's Day dry. A northerly track keeps some rain chances around. We're going to keep about a 10-20% chance of rain now Madison southward on Mother's Day itself, so keep that in mind if you have some outdoor plans. 41 tonight, mostly cloudy, isolated shower late. 54 tomorrow, isolated showers sticking around. Don't forget the alert day into Saturday morning for the frost. 57 Saturday, 55 Mother's Day Sunday. Sunshine gets us back into the 60s by the middle of next week. That's a look at your First Alert forecast. Stick around. We'll be right back.